In this video, we're going to calculate percentage increase and decrease using multipliers. So the first question says, a litre of milk costs 60p, it goes up in price by 5%. What's the new price? So first we need to work out our multiplier. So it's an increase and it's increased by 5%. So to work out the multiplier, we add 5 to 100%, so we're going to have 105%, and then we work that out as a decimal, so 1.05. So work out what the cost of the milk is now. Well, we take our original price and then multiply it by our multiplier. We can put that into our calculator, and the answer we get is 63p. Let's look at the second question. A classic car was worth £35,000 and it lost 4.5% of its value. What's its new price? So it's lost, so it's going down. So we need to take our decrease away from 100%. And that would leave us with 95.5%. And we need to have that as a decimal, so 0.955. So to work out what the classic car is now worth, we do 35,000 multiplied by our multiplier, which is 0.955. Putting that into our calculator, we get 33,425.